Hi student, welcome to today's science class. Today we are going to do chapter 1, lesson 1, what are animal needs. We are going to revise it and we are going to do the 3 pages, that is page 86, 87 and 88. And today's date is 14/9/2020 and the day is Monday. So now first let's revise. So, what are the basic needs of all living things? So, all living things, they need 4 basic things. Which are they? The first one, they need water. They need water, they need air, that is oxygen, they need food, and they need shelter. They need all the 4 basic needs to survive. Now, what is the meaning of survive? You have learned the meaning of survive means to stay alive or to live. So, what does survive mean? Survive means to stay alive or to live. So which are the basic needs? The first one, all living things need water. So all the living things, they need water to survive. Then they need air. So all living things, they need air, that is oxygen. So how the oxygen it goes? It goes inside the lungs to the mouth and nose. So the oxygen it goes from the mouth and the nose to the lungs. So all humans and some of the animals, they have lungs. So what does the fish have? Because they live under the water, so fish, they have gills. So what does fish have to breathe under the water? They have gills, which provide oxygen for them under the water. So can fish live on the water or above the water? No, it will die. So fish live under the water and they breathe with gills. So fish, they don't have lungs. Only humans and some animals, they have lungs to breathe in oxygen. So what you breathe in is called oxygen. So now the first one, you know about water, you know about air. So now which is the third things which is important to survive? It is the food. We all need food to survive. So all animals need food to survive. So what does some animals do? Some animal eats only plant and some animals they need eat other animals and some animals they eat both plants and animals. So there are 3 things: water, air, food. So these are the 3 basic things that need all living things need to survive. Now, which is the fourth one? Which is the fourth basic need to survive? It is the shelter. So you learn about water, you learn about air, that is oxygen, and you learn about food, that all animals or some animals they eat only plant, some animals they eat animals, and some animals they eat plants and animals. And now all living things they need shelter. And what is the meaning of shelter? A shelter is a safe place to live. Where do you live? It is called the shelter. So different animals they have different shelters. Like the honeybees they have hives, and humans we have house, and dogs they have kennel. So different animals have different shelters. So these are the 4 basic needs of all living things. That is the 4 again, revise it again. It is water, air, food and shelter. So these are the 4 things which is important for us. Now let's see. So today's pages that we are going to do is page number 86. So in page number 86, let's circle the living thing that does not use lungs to get oxygen. So now we have here four of the animals or the living things that do not need oxygen. Now you have to circle which do not use lungs to get oxygen. So you have to circle one, any one of them, which does not use lungs to get oxygen. So now let's see which does not use lungs. So this is the human. Do they have lungs to breathe oxygen? Yes. So we have rabbit. Do they breathe with the lungs? Yes. And cow. Does it breathe with the lungs? Yes. Because they all live on land. So they breathe in air with lungs. So now which does not need lung? It is the fish. So what does the fish have? Fish has gills. So let's circle the fish that does not need lungs, that does not need lungs. Now, question number 2, mark it. Cross out the thing that humans do not need to survive. So now you learn the 4 things that we need to survive. Which are they? You need water, you need air, we need food, and we need shelter. So now let's see, there is one thing which we does not need to survive. Which are they? Do we need water to survive? Yes. Do we need food to survive? Yes. Do we need shelter to survive? Yes, all living things need water, food, and shelter. Do we need chair to survive? No, that's not important. So it's not a basic need. So let's cross it out. So let's cross. And then we have question number 3, draw it. So draw an animal in its shelter. So we have to draw an animal in its shelter. Show the animal meeting another need. So you have to draw an animal with its shelter. So you can draw any animal with its shelter. And also you have to show one need. It may be water, it may be food, or it may be air. You can draw anything, but you have to draw the shelter because it's saying that draw an animal in its shelter. So you have to draw an animal with the shelter. So you can draw a dog with its kennel, with its house, and beside it you can draw water or food, anything you can draw. Okay, so that will be the homework for you. So let's write here homework. So that's HW. So this will be the homework page for you. So let's move on to the next page. We have page 87. So on page 87, we are going to do read the words and the clues. So write the word that goes with each clue. So let's see which are the clues and what is the answer. So the first one, I am a safe place to live. It's saying it is a safe place to live. So which is a safe place to live? Is it lungs? Is it gills? Is it shelter? Is it survive? Or is it oxygen? So which is a safe place to live? It is shelter. So let's write shelter. So write with me. S H E L T E R. So this is shelter. So after we finish writing, let's cross it out. So we finish shelter. It is a safe place to live. Now, question number 2. We are the body parts that you use to take in oxygen. So where do you take in oxygen? Where does the oxygen go? Does it go to lungs, gills, survive, or oxygen? So it is lungs. Very good. So let's write lungs. L U N G S. So it is lungs. Now, question number 3. I mean to stay alive. So what is the meaning of stay alive? Yes, let's call it our lungs as we finished it. So I mean to stay alive. So what is the meaning of stay alive? Is it gills? Is it survive? Or is it oxygen? Yes, it is survive. So let's write here Survive. So it is survive. So let's cross it out. Now, question number 4. We are the body parts that fish and tadpoles. Tadpoles are the small baby frog. So it is called the tadpoles. So again, we are the body parts that fish and tadpoles use to stay alive in water. So the fish and the tadpoles, they live in water. And how do they breathe? They breathe with gills or oxygen. Of course, they need oxygen, but also they need what? Do they need lungs? No. Do they need gills? Yes. So, fish and tadpoles, they need gills to breathe in water. So, let's write gills. Gills. It is gills. Now, let's cross it out. Now, question number 5. I am in the air you breathe. So, what is in the air that you breathe? It is oxygen. So let's write oxygen. Oxygen. So it is oxygen. And let's cross it out. So, did you all finish it? So these are the answers for page number 87. So let's move on to the next page, page number 88. On page number 88, so we have complete the Venn diagram, show how animal needs and plant needs are alike and different. So we are going to give one example of animal need and one plant need and what they both need. So let's see what animals need. Animals need shelter. So let's write here shelter. SHELTER. So animals, they need shelter. And what plants need? They need sunlight. SUNLIGHT. They need sunlight. So animals, they need shelter and plants, they need sunlight. Now what do they need? Both of them need what? Let's see. So which are the 4 basic needs? They need food, then they need water, and they need air. So both animals and plants, they need food, water, and air. So these are the basic needs of animals and plants. Now there's a question. Complete the sentence. Tell about the main idea of the lesson. So what did you learn in this lesson? Basic needs are the things that animals and plants need to dash. So if you don't have the basic need, what happens? You die. So if you have the 4 basic needs to dash. With the 4 basic needs, what do? You survive or stay alive. So let's write the answer here. Survive. Yes. Survive. So this is survive. So basic needs are the things that animals and plants need to survive. So what is the basic need? With the basic need, we all can survive. We all living things can survive. So that's all for today's class. Bye bye. Take care.